Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing, revealing my new lashes that I ordered probably about a month ago from my new vendor. It's in this big old heavy box here. I've been holding on to this box for like a week. I am like thirsty to open and see my new products. I also have another bag here with some good stuff inside of it, and I'm going to show you guys everything that's in these packages. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know the deal. Like, comment, and subscribe. More videos will be coming your way. If you are a boss babe or want to become a boss babe, check out my entrepreneur series that I recently started. The first video I posted was how to start a lash business with little to no money, so check out that video. And I have clothing hauls, cooking, a little bit of everything. So just check out my playlist and you can see the different videos that I have posted in the past, and some more good videos will be coming in the future. So subscribe to my channel, people. Also head on over to my Instagram, let's be friends, lavishLooks_by Kiki, and you know, become my Instagram friend. But let's get into this package. So which one do I want to open first? I don't know. Okay, so let's open up the big box. Alright, so this is my second time ordering lashes, okay? The first set of lashes I ordered, they sold within a week. Shocked the shit out of me, okay? But I did more research and I realized that I paid a little bit too much per lash. So I was like, alright, let me get back online, do my research, see if I can find something cheaper with the same good quality, give me good lash cases, yeah. So I found a vendor, asked 1,050 questions. She answered my questions. Probably got on her nerve, but I didn't care because you're getting my money, you're going to answer my questions, and that's that. But what I did not like is I ordered my lashes. Damn, it's not on this phone. It's on my other phone. I ordered my lashes in like June, probably the beginning of June, and I didn't get my lashes until about a week ago, and it is July. Today is July 20th, and I got my lashes about a week ago. So it took a whole bunch of weeks, and I was texting them like, yo, when is my stuff coming? Where's my products? Like, I paid you all this money for this stuff. You told me 18 days. It's been a month. They're like, oh, Chinese holiday. Now wait a minute, you didn't tell me that when I placed my order. Where's my stuff? So my stuff is finally here. So I hope it's some good stuff in here and I'm not disappointed, because I'm gonna be so freaking mad, guys. So freaking mad. How do you open this? Scissors. And my other thing, my boyfriend's like, when are you gonna open it? And I'm like, I can't open it yet. I gotta wait. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. So first things first is at the top is my cases. So for the vendor I went to, the MOQ for cases was 100. So I did 100 cases and I made sure they were all different color inside. So like I have the round cases. So is the case looks like this little clear case, and it has the gold inside. And I did gold because that was one of my mother's favorite colors, so I did gold. I have a few. I did silver cases. Don't know what color this is, but it's damn glitter. So I did like 10 of each. This color, yeah, this color. So I try to do like cute glittery colors in the inside. Whatever. But I don't know if I'm gonna order these cases again, because they're not like the cases that I have from my other vendor. The cases look better. And then this one is just a regular holographic background. So I have a whole bunch of damn cases, right? Now let's get to the lashes. So, they put my logo. This one is, that I'm about to show you, is my natural everyday look. I think it's 16 mm. The lashes are pretty. Can you see? So you see it has my logo in the middle, and these are my 16 mm lashes. They're pretty. Okay. And then for my extra chicks, I got 25 mm. So I have like a mother-daughter. So the mother is the sophisticated, classy, keep it simple lash, and my daughter is my flashy, going out, in your face type lashes, okay? Those are the 25 mm. The mother lash is more my style. So these are the 25 mm. Can you see? So it has like some curl to it. Maybe if I put it in the case, hold on. These are the 25 mm. Can't really get you close up. Can you see? So that's the 25 mm lash. So it has some curl to it, and of course some length. So I did 20 of each style. I think their MOQ was 10 if I'm not mistaken. So I did 20 of each style. So that's what I have in here. See this box? A box full of lashes, cases, and I also have tweezers. All the lashes. This is one with the silver. So another lash, the everyday look here. So now I'm trying to figure out how to make a website so I can post them on a website. I've tried, I have no patience, but I'm gonna try it again. And hopefully it will work out. So I can post them on a website and sell them that way. So I have tweezers. Oh, they gave me extra labels to put on my cases, on the blank cases. So they gave that. And then tweezers, I have all different colors. Like really, all different colors. Yellow, orange. Like I did all different colors. Purple, and that's all the colors. So these are my tweezers. You get a tweezer with every pair of lashes that you get. I give you a pair of tweezers and a spoolie. So guys, if you would like to order some lashes, comment down below. Hit me up on Instagram to place your order, and they will be shipped out to you immediately. And you get one of these pretty colored tweezers. So that's what that is. So now I have to sort through them, put them all in my organizer so everything is in order, and when I need to place orders, I can just go right to the drawer that they're in. 1, 2, 3. If I leave it in this box, it's gonna frustrate the hell out of me, because I don't like when things are unorganized. So I like when things are put together. So I'm gonna sort through this box tonight, put everything where it's supposed to be, and work on this website. So wish me luck. Now that. This bag. Something new that I am adding to my brand. It's actually my boyfriend's idea to do it, so I hope this comes out good. Oh, it's a bag inside of a bag. Now this too, I ordered these in June. Same thing, told me 15 days. I hit them, did my order ship, no Chinese holiday. I just got these around the same time that I got the other ones, and that was in July. So yeah, my stuff took like 3-4 weeks. And another thing you need to know, when you're ordering lashes and stuff, 9 times out of 10 they're coming from China, you're gonna be ready to spend at least 25 plus on shipping. You're not gonna get it for nothing less than that. So you want to make sure your stuff is good quality, because shipping is not bad. I mean, shipping is a lot. And then if you got to send this stuff back, you got to pay for that shipping all over again. Like, no. Let's make sure everything is right the first time and we have no issues. So, I hope I have no issues with what's in this bag. So, let's see. And eventually with my cases, like, I did simple cases. But I'm going to look into other cases. But I just don't know what kind of cases I want to do. So that's why I did the clear see-through ones. But eventually I'm going to switch to probably the boxes. I don't know. Tell me guys what you think I should do. In the comment section, let me know what kind of cases you think is nice for lashes. So. Alright, so these are... Alright, so my boyfriend said to call it edge whip, so you could whip your edges into place, you know. Alright, so I did 50. Oh, so the MOQ for this vendor was 50. No, 100. The MOQ was 100. So I refused to have 100 of one kind, of one style, one color. So you could do 2 colors. If not, they try to charge you more. So I did 2 different colors. One color is my choice, and the other color is because it's my mom's favorite color, green. So that's why I did it. So these are the edge whips. I say you should call it edge trainers, because it's made to keep your edges in order, and it keeps your lace frontal and your closures laid and slayed, boo. Laid and slayed. So this is one of them here, and you can even wear it when you have your hair braided, your ponytail, your bun. If your edges are done, you're gonna need this to keep them in place and keep them laid and slayed. Okay, so this one is pink and black, and it's satin, and it says Lavish Looks by Kiki, and you wear it. See, I have my edges. See, I have my baby hairs done. So we want to keep your baby hairs in place. You're going to do it just like this. Boop. Tie it in the back. I'm going to wake up in the morning and my baby hairs are going to still be on point. And your frontal is too. See? Lavish Looks by Kiki. So guys, if you would like to purchase this, hit comment down below to place your order, or hit me in my DMs, Lavish Looks _ by Kiki. Hit me on Instagram to place your order today. You see? You know, lady, it's summertime. We need to keep them, our baby hairs, our edges on point, our frontals and closures on point. It's been some hot days, honey. You know, them lace frontals and them closures start lifting on hot days. You're going to need this to keep it in place, sweetheart. So, get yours today. And then the other color is my mommy's favorite color, green. It's green. My mommy's favorite color. Let me show you this one. Lavish Looks by Kiki. See? And then same thing. Put it on like this. Lay them edges, frontals, baby hairs, closures, ponytails, buns, all of that. Keep it laid and slayed, honey. So this is the other one that I have. I had another package. I had a package that came today. I don't even know what's in it. Let me go. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what's in this other package that I got today. I don't know what it is. I literally have packages coming here every day between my lash business, my teeth whitening business, lashes, everything that I'm doing. Every day there's some packages coming here and I lose count as to what I ordered. So we're going to find out today what's in this box. But guys, look, I put it on. Don't you like this? Lay them edges, baby. Hit me up on Instagram, lavishlooks_ by Kiki. Place your order today, boo. Get you some lashes, honey. Get you some lashes. Lashes, lashes. Get you some cute tweezers. Fan myself in tweezers, baby. Place your order today. Alright, let's see what's in here. This isn't mine. This is my mother-in-law's package. I'm thinking this is mine. No, it's my mother-in-law's. It's her mask. Face mask. You know, the coronavirus is coming back around. I also have face masks on deck. If you would like to order some face masks, I have those too. I have a little bit of everything, honey. So come shop with me. But this is not mine, so I'm about to record. I'm about to charge this camera because it's about to die like always. And then I'm doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. I haven't done that in a while because lately the box I have been getting from BoxyCharm I have not been filling. So we're going to see what's in that box. But guys, that ends this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, seeing my lashes and my little new treats that I have. Don't forget, place your order today, honey. And subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know the deal. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, be blessed. Peace.